We're not out of the clear just yet here. There's still a severe weather threat for several counties.
Yeah, no doubt, at least for the next couple of hours. I think the conditions will rapidly improve once we get past about 6 o'clock this evening, but for the next few hours it could be a little bumpy in some areas. And the big story is tornado watch is in effect for parts of Maryland. It's the southern Maryland, lower eastern shore counties that are under this tornado watch until 7 o'clock. This is the most likely locations for severe weather this evening. Baltimore will probably miss that. It's just too chilly for us up around Baltimore to get into that kind of severe weather. But if you're watching us on the lower eastern shore for the next couple of hours, you got to stay weather alert for sure. And Tom's going to zoom in on that area on the radar in a moment. Around Baltimore, even though it's too chilly for that, we did get the heavy rain, and we've gotten heavy rain, so there's all kinds of flood warnings out there. All the areas here in the lighter shades of green, flood warnings are in effect. Here in Frederick County, this is along the Monocacy River in Frederick County. That has crested, I think, at this point. Flood warning still in effect for the south side of the Beltway, southwest side of the Beltway. Here in Baltimore County, around Cockeysville and Hunt Valley, flood warning in effect. Even up in the northwest corner of Cecil County, flood warnings are in effect. So suffice to say, if you live near a small creek or stream, it could be near bank full here this evening. It takes a long time for all this water to wash downstream into the bay.